guys, and welcome to TJ Tech. In this video, I'm going to be looking at the 10th generation Kindle. So this is the original Kindle, not the Paperwhite or the Oasis. Right off the bat, we'll do the unboxing really quick. So in the box, if you've seen my Kindle Paperwhite unboxing, it's very similar. So you have the Kindle on the inside over here at the top. You get a bunch of literature. And then we have the wire at the bottom as well. So just like the Kindle Paperwhite, this is a micro USB port. This ebook reader just came out, so I believe that it shouldn't have a micro USB port, but whatever, it's a cheap device. It gets the job done. I do like the way they do the whole Kindle logo on the box here. And let's open this guy up. For those who aren't used to the Kindle, this is actually the screen of the Kindle that we have here. It's not a sticker or anything on top. I have been using the Paperwhite for a while and I'm quite a big fan of it. So I think these e-ink readers are really pretty cool. Let's have a quick look around the device. We have the screen in the front and the word Kindle sort of with a glossy finish at the front here. If you turn the device around, you have the little Amazon tick mark or the smiley face. At the top there's nothing, on the sides there's nothing, and at the bottom you have the one single button that this Kindle has. It's the power button and the micro USB port. I'm not really sure if you can see that, but that's what it is, and that's all there is to it. There's nothing more to this device. It's pretty simple. It's really nice and light. I guess it's about the same weight as the Paperwhite and the Oasis, so nothing much different there. There's a definite difference between the screen and the body of the device, which is surprisingly, I quite like that, because in the Paperwhite, for example, you can't really tell when the screen ends and when the border begins. So this one's pretty obvious, more tactile sort of feel to it. The finish is quite nice. It's got this plasticky feel, which is alright. It does feel cheap, but it's good. I like it. So I've actually set this Kindle up with my Wi-Fi and my account. So one of the things that I don't like in the Kindle by default is that it gives you this sort of buy books homepage, which I'm not a big fan of. So I'm going to go into the settings and I'm actually going to change that. So you can go to advanced settings, home, and you can do home screen view. You can turn that off. So instead, when you click home, it takes you directly to your library. This is the way I like to do it. If I want to buy more, I can just click on the store and I can get there instead. One thing that's a little annoying is that when I click the settings icon, it always gives me this drop down. So to get into all settings, I have to click this twice, which is a bit irritating. If you've used a previous Kindle, something that you might find new in this Kindle is that it actually has a backlight option. So if I turn it off completely, you can see that it's just like how you would expect the Kindle to look. But in some cases where you might want to have brightness, you can actually turn the brightness up and there is a backlight to the phone itself. And this Kindle actually only comes with one option, which is the Wi-Fi option. You don't get the SIM option, and it also comes with only one standard option, which is the 4 GB variant. There is no higher option like in the Paperwhite. You have 32 GB, for example. If you log in to the Kindle, it'll show you all your books that you have, which is really cool. It automatically just syncs everything up, and one of them is, obviously it's not downloaded yet, but you can see that if you tap the book, it downloads it, and I can easily just tap into it and I can open the book and be ready to read as well. You can see that this is the actual front page of the book. It's alright. You can definitely tell from the screen that this is a lower resolution screen. It's only at about 167 pixels per inch. Especially when you look at e-ink reader with a better resolution, you can definitely tell the difference. So that's where you're missing out in this particular Kindle. One thing that's important is that this backlight is only 4 LEDs. Nothing groundbreaking. I personally am not a big fan of the LEDs. I do like the experience when you don't have anything on. It's just much easier on the eyes, but in a lighting like this, I would be putting on the LED. If you already have a existing Kindle, this is really not worth the upgrade in my opinion, because you're only really getting the backlight, a slight design change, but that's about it. There's no other real benefits to this to upgrade. If, however, you're looking at getting into ebooks or e-ink readers for the first time, this is possibly the best entry-level device that you can find there would be nothing else to compare this to. All in all, great device, great price, you can't compete. Still, Kindle has kept up with keeping the crown of the best ebook reader. The Amazon experience is great, you get access to a lot of books, everything is just perfect in that sense. I hope you guys like this video. If you do, don't forget to hit that like button. And if you want to see more videos like this, don't forget to hit that subscribe button. Let me know what you thought in the comment section below. And you can always catch me on social media at TJTechDXP. Once again, thanks for watching. And I hope you guys have a good one.